Hi guys, I'm on the US dollar Canadian dollar 4-hour chart. All my indicators are in alignment. I'm about to enter a sell trade. And there we go. So I've set my stop loss and I've set my target. And now all we have to do is wait for the trade to play out. I've got all my TBL, TBM, TBS, and switch all pointing in the right direction. Switch and everything looks good for this short trade. I'll be back soon to monitor this. Right, guys, I'm back, and we can see I've placed the trade on the chart. I entered the trade here, and the trade played out, and it hit my take profit target right here. And we made $4,174 on that easy trade. The trade went perfectly, and within 6 candles on the 4-hour chart, we had made our profit. Thanks for watching.